Once again, congratulations to the with honors and conduct awardees. He is also a conduct awardee. She is also a conduct awardee and the Apple School Publication. Next we have Lenny B. Bassett with honors for the first semester and second semester. She is a conduct awardee and division students with honors for the first semester and second semester. Also, she is a conduct awardee and the Anthem Scotty Vista.
Iyo. Mga picture na. Hindi pula ako naman sa aki mundo.
Cadet Girl Scout, Chloe Jane B. and Daya. The chief leader, Mrs. Charlene B. Bawal. In July 1976, GSP launched its Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme, which highlights the Girl Scout role in nation building as exemplified by the Chief Girl Scout and Social. Its main emphasis is on the girl's discipline, perseverance, and the development of her sense of responsibility. Once again, congratulations to our grade 11.